Creative Flex presents Summer Collection Volume 1.
All right, look at the camera. Perfect.
Featuring Bree. This is a Creative Flex concept.
Perfect. All right, what's up, everybody? It's Creative Flex. We are live here. I got Bree with me today.
What's up? How y'all doing? It's Bree B on this motherfucker.
You know what I'm saying? You know what's going on, man. We about to do the summer collection video and photo shoot. So y'all welcome to the YouTube. I'm gonna scratch that part because I messed up what I was about to say. But we doing the summer collection photo shoot, man. Y'all stay tuned. We about to cook up, man. I ain't gonna say too much, man. So yeah, I got the light at a 45-degree angle. Right now I'm shooting with the Alright, I got the which is for Sony. I got the 30mm 70 lens. I got a Pruser, but I got slim filter, 82mm thread, and that's gonna allow the highlights to bloom from the shots automatically in camera, just in case you guys want to know. And I got it at like 16 power. I'm gonna get a couple test shots to see what that looks like, and then if that looks good, we're gonna start cooking up. All right, so right now I'm just getting a couple test photos, so no worries on posing or anything like that.
That fucked me up. I was like, what is
The light?
Yeah.
You've been here before, ain't you?
Yeah, but
She says it's been a while.
it has, yeah.
That's all good. Almost. We're close. We're close. So yeah, never be afraid to move the light as many times as you need to. Sometimes you gotta move it 5, 6, 7, 8 times just to get it right, you know what I'm saying? But just stay patient. There's no rush on anything, you know what I'm saying? Just move it until you get it right. You're gonna regret it when you get home to try to edit it if you just try to let it go. So yeah, take your time with the shoot and you're gonna be thankful later. I think we might be there. Let's see. Okay, I think we might be there. You can look in the eyepiece, it looks better. Fucking with it? All right, bet. I think we're there. I think we're there. I think we're there. No, for sure. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold that. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, that's looking crazy. Oh, go crazy. That's crazy. That's crazy though. No, for real though. But the laugh is cool too.
Damn.
Yo. Yo. We cooking right now. Yo. All right. Hold on. We cooking though. All right, here we go. Let's take a look at this real quick. Yo, this is it right here. This is it. Look at this shit, yo.
Damn.
Yo, okay, we ready now. We ready now, bro. We ready now. We cooking up now. If you, I like what you're doing right there, do that. Use that hand to kind of push in that hip, you know what I'm saying? Use that hand to kind of push in that hip and you'll feel it come out. And I want you to look at this light like it's the sun and almost like you're getting the sunlight, yep. And then bring your head back to its original position a little bit more. Yeah, but instead, try to push your head forward instead of lean it back. There you go. And then chin up just a little bit. Perfect. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Not the Daddy Yankee though. They going crazy. All right. That's crazy though. Okay, cool. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Can you turn your knee in this way? Yep, right there. Actually, no, bring it out. Yeah, there we go. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Hold that right there. That's perfect. Hold that.
I got you back.
3, 2, 1. That's crazy. Look at me. Look at me. Perfect. Tilt the head this way. There you go. Chin up just a little bit. Perfect. Yo, what the? Whoa. Yo, we gotta go crazy, yo. We gotta go crazy. Okay. Yo, what the fuck?
Damn,
We're going nuts.
I knew it.
We're going nuts. We're going nuts. Oh my God, we're going ignorant. Okay, so let's try something. I don't know if this is gonna look right, but we're gonna try it. 3, 2, 1. Can you twist out? Other way. There you go. Yeah. That's dope. That's dope. 3, 2, 1. Hold up. Chin up just a little bit. There you go. Look off this way. Look over your shoulder. Hold on.
Oh, me, I think about a career change. Oh, that were fire. Yeah.
You feel me?
Yes.
Hands up, like the backhand, maybe on the, yes. Let's try here. Yep, right there. And you can do that, the necklace, the back of the neck, the shoulder. That one hand can go all those places, and they're all different poses. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Look at me. Can you bring your hand, that back hand on your hip? The back, not the front, the hand furthest from me. And then, no, on your leg, my bad. Right there, yep. And then that's, the front hand is still holding the, yep, there you go. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. That's fire. Yeah. Okay, yo. We might have something crazy.
Oh my goodness.
It's straight out of camera going crazy.
Damn. Ooh.
You feel me? Are your legs long enough to go here and here?
I say so. Wait.
Like that? Yeah, that.
Yeah.
You long, so we need that. So swap legs.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, boom, perfect, yep. Right. Ooh, facts though. You can't like not say it. It's like too addicting. I'm almost there. So I actually had a whole lot of sunlight, but I'm losing a lot of it to the clouds, man, and that's okay. That just means I don't necessarily need as much power on my ears. Just know that whenever you start losing sun, you can go down on the power on your ears. And that just allows you to still not blow out your pictures. Again, my settings is 1/125, f4.5, ISO 100. I just cranked it down to 1/64, and this is what I'm getting right here. 3, 2, 1. Look off at the light. 3, 2, 1. Chin up just a little bit. There you go. Shoulder. Can you shoulder down? Hey, there it is. Boom. That's the one. Gee, let's go. We're going crazy. All right, look. Look at how different the shoulder down does.
That's crazy. That's crazy.
Because it almost makes it look like you're like guarding.
Right,
like you're guarding something. So then when you relax, and then, you know what I'm saying? Type shit, you feel me? All right, so let's, you know. All right, there we go. One more. All right, 3, 2, 1. Perfect. 3, 2, 1. Look off at the light. There you go. Yeah, that's crazy. That's going nuts. All right, so let's show you this one. Going nuts. You feel me?
Yeah.
We're going crazy.
Maybe it's 6:45. Maybe I'm barely alive. Maybe you're taking my shit for the last.
Hey.
You guys live here?
Oh, no, our friend does.
Yeah, so this is a private pool
Oh,
for residents only.
we can't be here.
No.
Okay, all right. We'll head out. This video, here you go. All right. Was you rolling when she came up or no?
I think I was and stopped.
Okay. All right, YouTube, I appreciate you guys for watching the scene. We just got shut down by the security of this apartment complex. That's just part of the things of shooting on location. That's just one of those things of being an on-location photographer, man, that you just got to go through. So, again, man, appreciate Bree for being part of the summer collection. You let them know where they can follow you at.
Hey, y'all can follow me on Instagram at BreeBaby99, all lowercase, and baby like Babii. And y'all, you know what I'm saying, go ahead and book with Flex, man. He's comfortable, you know what I'm saying? And if you don't know what you're doing, he does, and it's definitely worth it.
Y'all heard it first from her, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Shout out, y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you, guys. Peace.